By a flood I saw a bird sitting in a tree. The air was clean, beautiful and clean. The air was filled with stains from a waterfall, and the heat in the air made the smoke from the water rise. Making its colors proud. The olive trees in the garden are there too. They are well grown by the shallow water. They are the two witnesses of Jah. They are keeping the fire lit, the oil for the lamp. To olives are what is left, the final ones to be picked. They are all done. They know where they stand. We are now trying to help them off. Can there be beauty in a tree with only 2 olives? It might look a bit artistic, you might say, but hey, the ones left are they. The final judgment for God's people is the final stand. We might say now we will be the same. We won't change, but we will. It's inevitable.